Welcome, in front of me is Redmi Note 14S, and in this video I will explain what to do if you can't access your device using PIN number. So firstly, make sure that you're entering a phone PIN number and not a SIM card PIN number, because they are often mistaken for each other. Now, once you check this out and you're sure that you're entering a phone PIN number, you may also have to restart your phone, especially in cases when it freezes. Let's try and reboot our device, and then just try and enter the password once again, so it will turn on in a short while. And now if your device restarted and it didn't help you recover your PIN, then you should definitely take some time and try to remember the PIN to your phone, especially because it will save you a lot of time in the future, a lot of work, and also your personal data on your phone. And if you really can't remember the password, then you should go ahead and reach out to Xiaomi Support Center, the customer service, and let them know about your problem. And if you prove your ownership of the device, then they will most probably help you recover the access to your device. But if you didn't succeed doing that, the only option remaining for you is factory reset, which will erase all data from your phone but will also let you recover your access. And you can do this using a recovery mode. The full video explaining on how to do this is on our YouTube channel. Now the other option is to do this remotely if you have a Google account or a Mi account linked to your device, and the Find My Device feature on your smartphone. Then you'll be able to access your device remotely through your Google account or Xiaomi account and just erase all data from your phone remotely. And so these are all the options that you have. So pick the one which fits best for you, and I really hope that it helps you. If it did, let us know about it in the comments. Consider subscribing to our channel, leaving a like under the video, and I'll see you next time.